Multi-AMS Connection Guide for the A2L. Install the PTFE tube positioning guide over the toolhead PTFE couplers. Install the side PTFE tube coupler by snapping it into its slot. Install the AMS cable wire clips onto the Z-axis brace, with one near the top and another near the bottom. Unplug one of the PTFE tubes and remove it from the silicone PTFE tube guides. Remove the 4 screws securing the AMS Lite to its base and separate them. Place the AMS Lite on the top mount bracket and secure it with 4 screws. Install the AMS Lite with top mount bracket to the top of the A2L frame. Connect the 3 remaining PTFE tubes between the AMS Lite and the A2L toolhead. Route the AMS Lite 4-pin bus cable through the cable clips. Connect it to the 4-pin slot on the back of the printer. Connect the PTFE tube to the side coupler. Connect a 4-in-1 adapter to the other end of the coupler using a small length of PTFE tube. You can now connect up to 4 AMS units to the 4-in-1 adapter. Connect the AMS 6-pin cables via daisy chaining from the A2L's 6-pin socket. Connect and turn on the A2L. Install filaments into the AMS unit slots. From the printer screen, make sure all AMS units are showing and the filaments are read in correctly. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.